Okay guys, welcome to the newest video. I got a message sent to me about someone not being able to run the server, something to do with the path. So in this video I will be giving you a pre-made one to download with the Java 7, the Java 6 and the Universal. Basically what this is, the Java 6 is the JRE6, Java 7, JRE7, and the Universal is the normal Java 1. So to make the server quickly, we'll use the Java 6 because that's what I'm using. If you want to find out what your Java is, you can go to your computer, your local disk, and then I don't know why I have that there, but you know. And if you find your Java folder, so mine's right there. So I have JRE6. I also have JRE7. But that's because I downloaded something for Java programming. Now, so that's my main one. You should really only have one in there. If you have two, then you can use either one, but I would suggest finding your main one. But if you do have two, you don't know which one is your main one, then just use the Universal. So that's how you find out what your Java is. So if we use our Java 6 and save that and that. So the path not specified is basically that unable to access the jar file, and that's because that's not there. But if you've noticed that your code actually has the right one, then it'll be something to do with your Java. Either you've got the wrong one, or you might want to try using the Universal. If you tried all of them and it doesn't work, there could be a problem with your Java. You might need to uninstall and reinstall it. And I'm not really a Java expert, so I can't really tell you what exactly has gone wrong. But in this video I'm going to show you how to, just so it doesn't keep it the same, I'm going to show you how to connect it to Matchy, because I did say I would do that in another video. So if I quickly just get everything ready for this, and even I've done it wrong here. Okay, so I've got to change the 0 to a 1 there. So everything does have to be as it should be. Even the slightest error will make it not work, so it's a slight problem. So once you get your server files, if you go to if you just Google log me into Match, you'll have a link to the download in the description. What you can do is if it's just having a slight problem here now. There we go. So see, I have MCS temp, which is basically for me and my friends connect our little survival server. Once that's creating, so what you would do is create a network, call it something unique. It is case sensitive, so say if it was something like that, you would have to type it in exactly like that. So let's just call it main for now. The password, you can either create it without a password, or you can just put a 1, 2, 3 in, which is what usual people do. Create, so obviously this is taken, so let's put that in there. So once you have that, basically you'll get your friends to join whatever your name is, and the password and whatever. And once you got that set up, if I stop the server, then in your property files, let's say message today my private survival server, and then if you look for your IP just there, you'll type in the IP there. So mine is 5.175.4. choose. So there. So that's your IP that people will connect to. If you want to make it more accurate, when you type it into Minecraft, they will type it in as, like, when you're adding the server, it would be best to put that behind it. But you can just connect normally with just the IP, but it just makes it more accurate and quicker to log in. So that's the easiest way I really know how to set up a server. You can go through your IP, but it takes too much effort in my eyes. I would only do it if I knew my server was going to be completely permanent, and it's quite dangerous unless you go through no IP. Otherwise people will be connecting straight to your normal IP, and it just wouldn't go down well. So once your server's set up, your friends should be able to join when once it's like that. So as I said before, I will have all pre-made folders in the description for you. It would have been best if you made it yourself, but from that person messaging me, they asked for a pre-made one, and I think it's just fair enough if I give you all 3 pre-made ones. It saves you the effort, and I suppose it's a little Christmas gift to you guys. So I'll get on making those, and I'll put them in a zip file so it's easier to download. I don't know what site I'm going to upload it to. Mega Upload probably, I don't know. But I have it in a zip file. If you don't know how to open zip files, just Google WinRAR and download it, and basically what it does is, yeah, you can open zip files and jar files, and it compresses the files basically. That's all it is. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.